Hola chicos, I wanted to take a minute to give you a quick tour around our Google Classroom, just to show you where things are and to help make sure that you are able to use everything as easily as possible. So first, if I just go to our Google Classroom, you can see here, very importantly, there is an upcoming box which shows you what are the next tasks that are going to be completed. Now, you can also see here, if you click all of them, it will show you what's coming up. Now, you'll also see I've added some emojis here to help you all out. If there's something that's overdue, then you will see an alarm clock. I've also added this check mark to let you know that that is a graded check to see where you are in learning what the content is. So, for example, for this classroom, there's one person who has an overdue initial vocabulary quiz. And everyone, some who have already turned them in, but everyone has been assigned the task number 8, which is the paragraph writing about your favorite pastime or activity. So that is an easy way for me to be able to see what I still have to turn in. It looks a little bit differently because I'm on the teacher view, but when you click the coming up, it should have listed individually for you what is up on your up and coming calendar. Okay, so now I have one pinned post here just reminding people that our classwork, or I'm sorry, our classroom website is the best place to see a full picture of what's done in any class. I'm also going to add here this tutorial so you guys know where to find it in the future. The most powerful tab in our Google Classroom is the Classwork tab. If you click on this Classwork tab, it will list by week what the different tasks are. Again, I'm hoping by using the alarm clock and the green check, you'll be able to easily see which assignments may be overdue and which ones are graded. I have many assignments here just because I have students who have things overdue for each of these, but it's possible that you might have nothing there if all of your work has been turned in a timely way. Everybody, though, should have these two tasks from the prior week. This is your homework that you turned in, and this is your task that is due tomorrow at 3 p.m. Finally, the other very powerful tool that is under the Classwork tab is using our Google Calendar. The Google Calendar link opens to, let me go ahead and turn off the other calendars to make this a little bit easier, opens to what is going on in our classroom. So if I'm in first period Spanish 2, if I select my first period Spanish 2 classroom, you will see what's going on. For example, when open office hours are, when we have our next upcoming synchronous sessions, and when assignments are due. Also, if you ever miss a day of class, you can go back and you can find that any materials from the day that you missed are linked to from our calendar, which will allow you to be able to open up and review anything that you missed. So that's a little tour of where you can find things and the best way to navigate around our Google Classroom site. Thank you. I hope that's helpful. Let me know if you guys have any questions.